Hello everyone and welcome in this new video. So today I have a one topic for you. Maybe it's your question or any of you were thinking about it. So how can you create your own DJ? Well, in this video you can get some basic points that how can create your career in DJ. Means you have future or not in this field. So we will know about it. So let's start. Starting your own DJ career can be an exciting journey. Here are some steps to help you to get started. First, develop your DJ skills. Begin by learning and mastering the fundamental DJ skills. This includes beat matching, mixing, phrasing and understanding music structure. Practice regularly using DJ software or hardware can experiment with different genres and styles to find your unique sound. Second, acquire DJ equipment. Invest in a basic DJ setup that suit your budget and needs. Typically, you need two turntables or DJ CDJS digital DJ desk and a mixture, headphones and speaker. You may also consider a laptop or controller setup, depending on your preferences. Start with entry-level equipments and upgrade as you gain more experience and gigs. Third, build a music collection. Correct a diverse collection of music cross variation genres that aligns with your DJ style. Explore different music platforms such as record stores, digital download stores, and online streaming service. Organize your music library effectively, making it easier to find the mixed tracks during performance. Fourth, define your DJ brand. Develop a unique identity and style as a DJ. Consider your DJ name, logo, virtual branding, and type of event or music you want to specialize in. Create an online presence through social media platforms and website to promote your brand and connect with potential clients. Well, without promoting, you can also tell your friends to give a customer and then you can give them commission by providing customer of DJ. Well, this marketing strategy you can also apply. Let's begin on next point. Fifth, network within the industry. Attend local DJ events, club and music industry gathering to meet fellow DJs, event organizer and potential collaboration. Building connects is crucial in DJ industry as it can lead to opportunities for gigs, collaboration and mentorship. Sixth, promote your DJ service. Utilize online platforms such as social media, SoundCloud, Mixcloud, and YouTube to showcase your DJ mix, remix, and live performance. Create a professional press kit or electronic press kit (EPK) that includes your biography, press photo, mix traps, and contact information. Reach out event organize club owner and promotes to introduce yourself and express your interest in performing at their venues. Gain experience through gigs. Start by playing at local venues, parties, and private events offering your service to your friends, family, or local organization to gain experience and explore as you build your reputation. You can start approaching bigger events, venues, festival, and corporate events. Sorry. Continuously refine your DJ skills and adapt your different crowd and environment. 8. Create an online presence. Develop a strong online presence through your website and social media channels. Regular uploads your platform with engaging contents and search mixtapes, live recording, behind the scene footage and event. Announcement interface with followers, response to inquiry, and collaboration with artists to expand your reach. 9th. Continuously learn and evolve. Start update with the latest trend equipments and music genres in the industry. Attend workshop, seminar, and online course to enhance your technique skills, music production, knowledge and performance ability. Embrace feedback and learn from each experience to improve as a DJ. Remember, building a successful DJ career take times, dedication and prevention. Stay passionate, be open to opportunities and consistently work on refining your craft. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you will watch the next video.